Hello everyone, welcome to Shivik Tutorials. This is the second part of exponent. In the previous video, we have seen some formulas and we solved some examples based on those formulas. Now few more examples we'll take in this video. This 6 raised to minus 1. So what we will do, we will write it as 1 by 6. We'll take reciprocal of it minus 1 by 9. I am taking reciprocal of it and making this power positive. This raised to minus 1 plus, similarly here also 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, this whole raised to minus 1. Now what we will do, we will take LCM of this two. So what is LCM of 6 and 9? 3 2s are 6, 9, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. So this is 18. To make it 18, we'll multiply here with 3 minus and here with 2 in the numerator. This raised to minus 1 plus here also 3 2s are 6 and 3 minus 2. This whole raised to minus 1. This becomes 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 6. This raised to minus 1. Again this raised to minus 1, which is equal to 18 plus 6, which is nothing but 24. The second example, 1 upon 3 raised to minus 3 into 3 raised to minus 1 into 1 by 9. So what we will do first, we will make this power positive. For this we are writing it as 1 upon 1 by 3, this whole raised to 3 into 1 upon 3 raised to 1. See, power became positive into 1 by 9. Now we are going to solve this first. So this is what 1 upon 1 by 3. So we'll write it as 3 by 1, this whole raised to 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 9. This 3 raised to 3 is 3 into 3 into 3 upon 1 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 9. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So this is 1. 27 upon 27 is 1. In this example, 3 raised to minus 5 as 1 upon 3 raised to 5 into 1 upon 10 raised to 5 into this 125 I am writing as 5 raised to 3. This is divided by 1 by 5 raised to 7 into 1 upon 6 raised to 5. Now here 5 raised to 3 upon 3 raised to 5 and I am splitting this 10 as 2 into 5 raised to 5. I am using a formula x into y raised to n is equal to x raised to n into y raised to n. I am using this formula here, multiplying, and I am taking inverse of it. 5 raised to 7 into 6 raised to 5. This again 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 7 into 6 raised to 5 upon 3 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 is 6 raised to 5. Same formula. 2 3s are 6 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. 6 raised to 5, 6 raised to 5. This base is same. Subtract the powers. 6 raised to 5 minus 5, which is 6 raised to 0. So 6 raised to 0 is 1. So this part becomes 1. So 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 7 minus 5. This 5 raised to 7, 7 minus 5 is 2, 5 raised to 7 minus 5 into 6 raised to 5 minus 5 upon 1. So this is 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2 into 1, which is 125 into 25 is equal to 3125. You can multiply and check.